Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use Tech Power Up GPU-Z. This is this free software that you can use to identify your GPU, all information about your video graphic and also the GPU by Tech Power GPU-Z. So you can download the latest version, standard version, or you can use the Asus ROG themed, but I recommend you to download the standard version first to learn about the Tech Power Up GPU-Z. You can download it from techpowerup.com official website. After that, you can install and open this Tech Power Up GPU-Z. So this is the information about the GPU-Z. The GPU that I'm using right now. I'm using AMD Radeon VGA graphics, so I'm using a APU from the Ryzen 3200D. So I have a built-in VGA, and this is the code name Picasso, the third generation, or the VGA GPU name. Technology 12 nanometer, so it's low watt. So I have a the eco version. Die size here, then released in July 7, 2019. This is the transistor BIOS version, so you can save your BIOS here. So vendor, the AMD, of course. This is the shader, direct support, pixel rate here, like show the number of pixels that can be rendered to the screen in 1 second. So there's information here. Textile fill rate, show the number of textile that can be processed in 1 second. Memory, still DDR4. This is bus width, show the width of the interface between GPU and graphic memory, and so on. The driver, the latest version. I show the version of the currently installed graphic driver, and also the driver date. As you can see, this is the latest version of the Adrenaline. Here I'm using the AMD software Adrenaline edition. And also this is the sensor, the GPU clock, even the GPU temperature. You can set a highest reading, a current reading, memory use, GPU voltage, temperature here. So must be not, the maximum is about 90 Celsius. You have to worry if your CPU or GPU above 90 Celsius. The advanced here, and validation. It is your name, your email here. You can submit it, and of course you can take a screenshot of the GPU-Z window with optional upload here. Even you can refresh, and this is the option. You can learn about it later. So feel free to download this Power Up GPU-Z to identify your GPU or your video graphic. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. See you in the next video.